The relationship between tenacity, willpower, and mental health reveals a fascinating complexity. While both traits are often celebrated as pillars of success, an excess of either can lead to detrimental mental health outcomes. This paradox underscores the importance of maintaining a delicate balance, allowing for resilience without tipping into stress-driven overexertion. As we delve deeper into personal development, it becomes clear that distinguishing between tenacity and willpower is crucial. Tenacity embodies the steadfast persistence we demonstrate in the face of obstacles, while willpower is the internal strength that compels us to resist temptations. Understanding these nuances is essential for cultivating both traits effectively. Exploring the brain's inner workings aids in enhancing our understanding of tenacity and willpower. By examining the specific neural circuits that govern these traits, we can devise tailored strategies that amplify our personal effectiveness. This exploration opens doors to harnessing our full potential. Motivation emerges as the driving force propelling us along the spectrum of willpower. It plays an instrumental role in combating feelings of apathy and igniting our engagement in behaviors that align with our goals. Without this vital energy, our ability to act diminishes significantly. The phenomenon of ego depletion introduces an intriguing notion. Willpower can be depleted with every decision we face throughout the day. Acknowledging this reality empowers us to manage our willpower more effectively, ensuring we conserve our mental resources for when they matter most. Contrary to earlier beliefs, recent research suggests that willpower is not as finite as once thought. Studies reveal that willpower can be replenished through intentional breaks and specific strategies. This understanding amplifies the complexities surrounding willpower dynamics and invites a reevaluation of our limits. The sympathetic nervous system plays a pivotal role in our alertness and actions, influencing how we respond to stress and our capacity to resist temptations. It creates a balance between our ability to move forward and the urge to retreat, illustrating the intricate dance between our instincts and our intentions. In contrast, the parasympathetic nervous system fosters relaxation and recovery, shaping our mental and physical states. Its influence is crucial for achieving restful sleep and maintaining mental clarity, elements that are indispensable for sustaining willpower. Quality sleep emerges as a cornerstone for enhancing both willpower and tenacity. When we deprive ourselves of sleep, these essential capabilities falter. Thus, effectively managing our stress levels becomes vital, preserving the resilience needed to confront our daily challenges. In a thought-provoking experiment, subjects were divided into groups tasked with resisting either cookies or radishes, thereby illuminating the inherent struggle of resisting sugary temptations. This study serves as a lens to better understand the phenomenon of willpower depletion in real-world scenarios. The findings revealed a compelling correlation. Individuals who successfully resisted cookies exhibited diminished performance on subsequent tasks. This suggests a direct relationship between temptation and the allocation of cognitive resources, highlighting the profound influence of willpower on our problem-solving capabilities. Notably, the introduction of glucose as a variable in these studies illuminated another layer of willpower dynamics. Increased glucose levels appeared to replenish willpower, allowing participants to maintain cognitive performance across various tasks, thereby indicating a physiological foundation for willpower tied to our energy availability. A body of studies supports the notion that glucose consumption enhances performance in tasks that require self-control. Consequently, this has sparked interest in products designed to promote glucose intake during demanding activities, emphasizing the role of nutrition in our mental strength. However, a wave of controversy emerged as researchers endeavored to replicate findings related to glucose and willpower. Debates ensued, scrutinizing the methodologies and sample sizes employed in these studies, showcasing the ongoing complexity of this inquiry. The interpretation of willpower as a limited resource continues to generate spirited debate. Some researchers contend that simply believing in these limitations can adversely affect actual performance outcomes, suggesting the power of mindset in shaping our capabilities. Interestingly, Research points to the idea that willpower and tenacity can be sustained when glucose is readily available during a series of challenges. This provides a refreshing contrast to earlier views of constrained resources, reinforcing the significance of effective energy management in optimizing our willpower. At the heart of these discussions lies the anterior midcingulate cortex, a brain region playing a pivotal role in regulating willpower and tenacity. Its influence suggests that these traits are deeply embedded in our neurobiology, offering a compelling biological explanation for psychological resilience. Moreover, by adopting specific mindsets and engaging in targeted activities, we can bolster the plasticity of the anterior midcingulate cortex, ultimately enhancing our willpower. This presents an encouraging perspective on our capacity to cultivate self-discipline over time. Further research indicates that high achievers often exhibit heightened activity in the anterior midcingulate cortex, linking its function with both academic performance and intrinsic motivation. This area appears to react most positively to challenging tasks, reinforcing the connection between effort and achievement. Conversely, lesions in the anterior midcingulate cortex can lead to a troubling increase in apathy and depression. This underscores the region's vital role in emotional regulation and motivation, profoundly impacting various life domains and our overall well-being. Interestingly, Superagers, those who maintain larger anterior midcingulate cortices, exhibit youthful cognitive abilities despite their age. This discovery hints at a neuroprotective effect, supporting mental agility and resilience throughout the aging process. Moreover, the anterior midcingulate cortex establishes connections with autonomic centers responsible for regulating cardiovascular functions and respiratory rates. This relationship emphasizes the interplay between our emotional states and physiological responses to stress, illuminating the complex nature of our human experience. In addition, the anterior midcingulate cortex interacts intricately with the dopamine system, a key player in reward processing. This communication enhances our feelings of effort and motivation, emphasizing how neurotransmitters underpin our mental resilience. Significantly, studies reveal that stimulating the anterior midcingulate cortex can evoke sensations of urgency and an urge to resist. This illustrates its central role in regulating effort and motivation, acting as a vital hub for our cognitive processes. To navigate our experiences more effectively, understanding the distinction between homeostasis and allostasis becomes essential. While homeostasis seeks balance, allostasis emphasizes how our brains allocate resources based on our motivational goals, showcasing the brain's remarkable adaptability to diverse challenges. Fascinatingly, the anterior midcingulate cortex not only directs energy allocation, but also receives crucial input from both the brain and body, enhancing its functionality. This adaptability enables it to respond adeptly to the varied situations that demand our tenacity. Engagement in challenging tasks has been shown to activate the anterior midcingulate cortex, promoting tenacity. This insight suggests that confronting resistance can fortify our capacity for willpower across multiple aspects of life. Research indicates that individuals aged 60 to 79 who partake in moderate cardiovascular exercise maintain better brain volume than their sedentary counterparts. This includes crucial areas tied to cognitive functions, underscoring the profound benefits of physical activity. The anterior midcingulate cortex emerges as a significant player in preserving brain volume, closely associated with tenacity and willpower. Cardiovascular training may contribute to an increase in its size, demonstrating the benefits of physical fitness on our mental faculties. Interestingly, engaging in cardiovascular training often necessitates overcoming initial resistance. This journey not only enhances willpower, but also fortifies mental endurance, key components vital for cultivating tenacity in various life endeavors. However, it's important to note that merely participating in cardiovascular training may not suffice to enhance tenacity and willpower. When paired with additional challenging activities, we can truly amplify our results, suggesting that intensity and frequency matter greatly. Taking on difficulties, whether it's mastering a musical instrument or learning a new language, can spark brain activity. These challenges activate the anterior midcingulate cortex, reinforcing our mental resilience as we face new hurdles. Incorporating micro-sucks into our daily routines can be an effective strategy for building willpower. These involve minor discomforts that necessitate effort, gradually strengthening our cognitive control and fortitude. Additionally, embracing physical challenges like cold exposure and exercise can bolster willpower. These activities push our boundaries, fostering mental resilience and an enhanced capacity to confront discomfort. Each experience of overcoming difficult academic or personal challenges teaches valuable lessons. Such encounters cultivate tenacity, equipping individuals with the skills to navigate complex situations with greater efficacy. Superagers serve as exemplary models for the rewards of lifelong learning and engagement in challenging pursuits. Their dedication to acquiring new skills enriches their cognitive function and overall well-being, a testament to the power of curiosity. Finally, maintaining good autonomic function through adequate sleep, nutrition, and social connections is critical for sustaining both tenacity and willpower. These factors play a direct role in our ability to engage effectively with challenges, highlighting the interconnectedness of our well-being. Ultimately, the anterior midcingulate cortex emerges as a critical hub in generating tenacity and willpower. It is influenced by various brain areas associated with reward and goal seeking, enhancing our capacity to harness these vital resources in our lives. As we explore the intersections of science and personal growth, research clearly shows that participating in challenging activities, such as cardiovascular training, can fortify the anterior midcingulate cortex. This connection underscores the importance of physical activity in promoting personal development and resilience.